How to get a voided check from Sofi. Sofi is a fintech company offering a wide range of online financial services, including loans, banking, investing, and insurance, known for its career coaching and financial planning. To get a voided check from Sofi, first, go to the Sofi website and click on Login. Enter your credentials to access your account. After you log into your Sofi account, you should see all your accounts on the dashboard. Expand the banking section first, then click on the checking account for which you need a void check. In the left menu, click on Direct Deposit. Then, on the Direct Deposit page, click on Add New Direct Deposit. On the next screen, select the account for which you want a void check. Then click Next. On the following screen, you must choose what proportion of the check you want to be deposited. The easiest way is to select My Entire Paycheck. Then, after a few seconds, you should see your direct deposit enrollment form with a void check. That's it. Thanks for watching.